Okay, good morning, class. So first thing we're going to do, if you have the green paper, the Newton's second law activity, you're going to be following these directions. So the first thing, in your group, you guys should have one rubber band, you should have one nickel, and one dime. Before we go any further, what I'd like you to do is make a prediction about what's going to happen. You'll see on the line that it says, if I use the same amount of force on a nickel and a dime, then this is going to occur. What do you think is going to happen? Our force that we're going to be adding with is our rubber band. We're basically going to be making a miniature slingshot where we are going to move the nickel and dime farther down a paper. So take a guess now as to what you think is going to happen. If you need to pause this video, do so. Now, for directions, what you guys are going to do, you're going to be working in partners, so pairs, not groups of 3 because it'll take a lot longer. So what you're going to do, first person, you're going to line up your rubber band, and I'm going to shift this down so you can see a little bit easier. You're going to hold your rubber band so that it is directly on the black line to start. Have one partner hold the rubber band, try and keep it as low to the paper as you can. You're going to then have the other partner, now I'm doing this by myself so it's not going to work quite as well, have the other partner hold the dime on the paper and pull the rubber band back, if I can get it low enough. Pull the rubber band back until it reaches the edge of the paper. Then you're going to let go, and you're going to take a ruler and mark onto the dime slot from the very front of where the dime landed. So since I'm in the nickel results, I'd actually take it, draw a line up to here, and I would write trial 1 on that line. You're going to do the same exact thing 3 times. And then you're going to measure each of the distances in centimeters. You're going to repeat the same exact process with the nickel. Holding down the line, creating a slingshot, and pushing. Okay. If you need to rewatch this video, please do so. If you have any questions, please make sure that you raise your hand. I'm going to be walking around the room and observing what you guys are doing. Now, when you get to the back, you guys will see you're going to write in all 3 of your trial distances. So, trial 1 plus trial 2 plus trial 3 equals the total. And then I want you to get the total and divide that by 3 to get your average. After you finish both the dime distances and the nickel distances, I want you guys to go down to the bottom. You're going to fill in the 4 conclusion questions. Take your time on this, make sure you guys have it right. If you need to go back and read in your book, the pages are pages 36 and 37 in your book. Okay, thank you.